Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. I thought I would share something that is rare to come across to kick us off into the weekend. Just a reminder, all links to any jobs that I discuss are down in the description box below on YouTube. So if you are interested in any of these positions, you can click to get right to this page and put your application in. But the big streaming company, Twitch, which is mainly used by gamers, is hiring an executive assistant for customer experience. Now, they're looking for an assistant to the executives who will report to the Vice President of Customer Experience, which is their customer support team, and trust and safety. So you'll be working with the upper leadership team that supports the customer experience. Now, it does say if you are in San Francisco, you can work in their office. Otherwise, you can work remotely across the United States. However, you must work Pacific Time core business hours. So if you're not in the Pacific time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to those hours to make sure that they work for you. But the assistant will be supporting a globally diverse multilingual team and driving improved safety for the Twitch community. You'll manage complex calendar and prioritize events for the executives and to the team priorities. You'll manage meetings, the attendees, the agenda of the meetings, and the logistics of recurring meetings and departmental events. You'll coordinate domestic and international travel accommodations for multiple executive team members. You'll manage expense reporting and approvals for the executives. You'll help prepare presentations and correspondence, and you'll help with onboarding of new team members. So this is going to require excellent written, verbal, and problem-solving skills, and they want you to have 5 years of some type of administrative experience in supporting multiple executives. So if you have administrative office experience, this might be for you. They do not require any college degree of any kind, and that is the only must-haves that they have listed is great verbal, written, and problem-solving skills and the 5 years of administrative experience. Now, you do get bonus points if you know how to use Google Suite, Microsoft Office, Slack, and other software. You get bonus points if you have experience with organizational budgets and if you understand gaming, streaming, and online entertainment. Now, the pay and perks for this position with that little experience and no college degree is what makes it very rare and outstanding. The pay range for this goes anywhere from $98,000 a year, and in some places, because pay is always dependent on location and experience, you can make up to $176,000 a year. And on top of that high pay, you also get medical, dental, vision, disability insurance, 401k, PTO, you get an Amazon employee discount. That is huge because Amazon sells everything, and you also get monthly contribution and discounts for wellness programs. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.